On Mempotemu, you deal with several issues. Among the issues, one of the callers, and about 2-3 of them, free Bebu, one more editor just say, Yania Empire, our blockade community no sewage beer a faho. Ensure and I'm some more muko and winina ensure a afaho. My uncle Maso Nayani, the CEO for Empire Super Concrete Blocks and Quality Roofing Sheet. As a matter of fact, and I'm paying open roofing sheet now open blocks. Our Ghana ha say Empower. Of course, the biggest mistake ever are with me. I don't know. Senior, I don't pay my amoach more Kwabamra Akoma FM. Did you have a code there?
Did you have a call? I'm watching the
Yeah, Danyamia say a radiadum. Mempotemo enra tememuphobia wo Bebu. Ese gata bi edawa nsuo fam. Oblock no, wa fele ema se nsuo no toya na yira for mo kwan mu nyina. Ase ba bia super concrete blocks ayetwa blocks no ewo na. What exactly is the situation?
Okay. Kofi nyejikai beda wase na mada wetie fo nyina so ase so mechia Bebu man na Bebu ahenfo ene emu assemblyman mefa konya we so na machia isi ewo atwema fo Akoma yo Kofi
FM 87.9 Kumasi
baye busum ni enye me office na Bebu emranti ehene eba me ho oba me ho no asema odi betu na nyim ni se the ame super concrete product no ewo no enye gata but a bridge ufi Bebu police station na Bebu cluster of school wa
okay
there is a bridge and sana we do ho enti community no ekohwe mi so mo community kuodi omo dwen kuo no ho na omo fa ho no the four ways na so be person me transfer ni chel ufi Bebu no kwa uko two bridge na on your right and left hand side there should be a gutter a good bridge na ana utra na ya say we go for anti afi we do the concrete products no so there should be another 2 ways in the end ni na ko 4 ways na maybe 1 out of 4 no
okay
aka 3
okay
na omo ko share no mo say 4 ni na no contractor ni ye adwuma no YKB some years back no one year gata na ama na mambe do bridge ni edu baby na wotwa so eti ama issue no to na sisa abo no ni dotie ni anya ni nyina eti ama emosi eti say 4 ways ni nyina no issue no kwa entumi enko bridge ni
okay
na oba be frɛ me say me wo equipment loaders na me wo tipper cars ye aka yenhwe kwan a ye be ye be fa so na ye when you we dey ya adwempa and also the two as say community no so atutu wo monsa say say omo de kaka beba na omo de bayi a let just empower maboa so we dey nye de nkra ye nyina ye wo Bebu Bebu kan ko eda ye nyina ya Akoma so enti omo onko na community ni ba na omo say ye nya taku ye nya simpoa na mo ye hia say a na empower nso masoso enti miguso a me twen last 2 weeks me wo hona Bebu tadri hene ye na prempre onye mrantie mienu ba ko ye say ye friend no sojaman ba ko die idini die minim ana omo ba me office to mo ba me office ana omo si ye final seminar ana omo de ba ya na me si okay na bi say ye be ni den ana omo si omo say bridge no say na mrantie hene be ka ye na enu cover na enu bridge no eti ye say ye yi 4 way ni nyina mu ye yi 4 way ni nyina mu a na say cover na be show say blog na ye di be ye gutters no mani nyina ba Bebu mu na me see you e dey hono kwa so me ka kire eye na prempre say ina say ni ba ho na me see onko ye estimate ni da ba on fa ma o gina ho no ye ni estimate e to ye ni estimate na about 4 to 5,000 ana me ka kire ni say in the estimate no ye ya light right ye wi a ye dey convert we no so which is 2 trips ana me ka kire ni say within the estimate no the 2 trips of light right no me ma fa ho ka me de beba Bebu no we stand in so convert na ye dey share ho no so nyina no me so ma fa ho ka enti wo mo enko na mo mra na ye hu nia wo mo nya ana mo ka say community obi abetua 100 to 100 enti Saturday ni wo ho ana man tie ni loader e ba ho And I know that it's already 3,000. You can have money could do 2,500. And I make a chance here and he said, so Omuko meeting not scanning here ready. They should let me know. Now you start Jumano if he say me tracks be ever baby or more Jumano for services. So that those tracks can do that with moreover and so we will load our home make me get Jumano. So they should let me know so the shot. Because he say you could see here. If you are not you know, without Obia Mammy Hubium. Obia so make a me say empower yet make us a man yet.
Okay.
Comodia ye it's a one say Obia Baho say me and I may see gata no. Because there were only 1 out of 4 ways now Akoma.
Okay.
3 no the part of the niho. And I will prefer say if your men can come to the site and look at it. So that you capture it, you put it on Facebook because credibility is really at stake. Both. The picture we are pointing. Yeah, here.
Both on TV and on Facebook page. In fact, something. And me assure say Empower is one of the responsible institution. Taking the corporate social responsibility at heart. And you bet me a for their integrity. Into try na anopay and when I say idea community already where the kind alpha mwa o boa won ama problem na o hoda da no mwatimi so atim ayimu adwuma right.
Oh yeah, Kofi Bebu community no mini community no mini nipa ba kokwa community eni ntawantawa anasa obi eni wa Kofi. I can stand here and say upa bra Bebu go to the chief, go to the assemblyman, proceed to the assembly. Now this as Empower Oba some years back, over 10 years. You want some bonus, so when you move back, just publish it on your radio. Because you be free, me a human, me to me can me a perfect. But me a the social responsibility. I want Bebu Kofi Edamakumaso. And I believe that you hear some of them.
Of course.
Very public union macrano, whereby we don't even have money to run our business. I still render the social responsibility for Bebu, and you can go and ask. I don't want to brag on this radio. Because Uber says the last 3 days, I went to the Bebu cluster of schools. Now Rotary, next month is a literacy month.
Yeah.
I was vying for a library books, math set, and other learning. Where they call me, they put it to me and say, oh yes, you've done well, but I promise them that in 2 weeks' time, I will start the UNRA.
Oh, wow.
So, you know what I say? Bebu community, we went to the assembly, Empower. I never see police station. It is not a police post.
A police station.
Yes.
Empower Super Concrete Blocks, ABC police station, they are my Bebu.
Yes, Kofi. You can call the DCE and ask. All the drawing has been done. District headquarters, trader. And all can say, my difference is there. And I say, amendment there, because this is a police station. As I say, standard, no? Which they are working on it. Last 3 weeks, I called the DCE, telling him, soon as possible, no? You better call no? Kofi, when it comes to Bebu people are fantastic. I love them and I want to be with them. Bebu upon say made me feel in Kayama Bebu no. Bebu Nikum. It means to me a dear bonnie and also the bonnie dear and Bebu mine. And Bebu mine soon himself Empower anyone more anti bonnie. It's the way you 1 out of 1,000 So see, this is all that has happened.
Okay.
Gentlemen now I would say Omo Bebu Hudo. Send me Empower, me see me what Bebu Hudo na.
Okay.
It's a your dog one so we any time. Men that will be time. Your dog or send out me Empower me what Bebu Hudo. Na omo no so omo ye dey. Omo what Bebu Hudo. Nyama friend say. Send omo to me etutu omo na eba me ho. We agree on a certain idea Empower be here any near community no to be here. They said everybody is going to contribute 100 cities each, no. So Kofi enumpo and omo call here na omo enya. They should come back.
Okay.
They should come back and tell me, say, Empower again. So we want you to help. All the 4 ways, we'll see how we can do. If my whole deeper end to me, I know where to go. I know people to contact to make sure that it is done. Okay. Simple.
And Komono, Mempotemo omo frey, and it was like a walk-in studio, but they called from the rest of the hunting. But tell you what, Nyame adomwa ene wie ne china yɛbɛba na yɛaba abɛhwɛ yɛde cameras bɛba abɛhwɛ site no maybe amanim hɔ yɛaba hɔ superco ayi no roofing sheet no wɔ yɛ benkum no so ɛna baabi ayitwa blocks yi nso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nifa no so hɔ ya wɔasiesie hɔ kama nti yɛbɛba na yɛaba abɛhwɛ ma yɛtiefoɔ nso a tie ne nipa bi a ɛteeɛ no wahu anamɔ papa a wobɔ ɛde aboa asanteman ɛne bebu ɛne atwema kɔ ahoma mpasua no nti ma yɛ na wase ɛnɛ ne kyena yɛbɛba site na afei yɛba deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ bia no yɛde two tips na atiefoɔ ahu sɛ this is a wonderful work Empire ɛne ne team ɛyɛ ɛde aboa adehyɛ a ɛwɔ bebu ne mpɔtamu nti ma yɛ na wase
kofi ɛtwa toɔ no mɛda wase paa na mede kakra bɛtwa toɔ nea mepɛ sɛ mede ɛtwa toɔ bɛpɔto kakra na nea mepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ mede ɛma bebu man ɛne Ghana man nyinaa ne sɛ ɛwɔ borɔfo mu no yɛka biribi of the things we think, say or do. One, obi bɛbisa sɛ is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build a goodwill? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Kofi, saa 4 waiters yi ɛne ne ade a mede yɛ n'adwuma ɛtumi ntia obi a nanso ne yɛ nipa ntia wo nanso mpo a bɛba wɔ hɔ abɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ kafra meda ase Kofi.
Thank you very much for Empire former Rotarian president, past president, do 4-way test no de to hono a Rotary a cardinal point nipa o de bobra de awoye no hu hia ebeboa wunua ebema wunua edi ya wana sane ma we nyina hu a ene na kyese menje so a man with integrity enti koso a afọ ni kire eye Empire super concrete blocks and roofing sheet na koko di udwuma ewo ho but enran so kwada